Welcome. Today we'll do the face unlock test on the ASUS ROG Phone 3. We'll check how fast the face unlocking is and whether it is reliable. So as you can see, I'm sitting in this position, and let's go for the settings. So right now we have to move for the security and the lock screen. Next we have to move for the face recognition, input our currently logged method. Of course, if you have to, just read the description and click next. And I'm sitting right here. I will move a little bit on the right to be in the middle of this recognition circle. And right now, let's select to turn on our device. To turn on unlock device with the face. And right now, let's make it for a few times. Okay, it's working. So as you can see, it's really fast and it is reliable. It works every time and it happens really fast. I think that it's even faster than the fingerprint scanner. So we're tapping on the home, on the power button, and it just pops on the home screen. So yeah, as you can see, the face unlock works really good. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!